set your bed, embrace the culture.
Yeah, we're all enjoying Mitch's embrace.
Where are we, Mitch?
We're on the sleeper train to Mumbai. It's gone well so far. We've all got our seats, but we can't get in them yet. I mean, I've got my bed, I'm set up. Evie's bed is just here. No!
I can't get in it.
Ready to go. 8 hours. Aircon. What more could you ask for? A bed. Go to the toilet. Actually,
How you doing? You got Maya up here.
so be like Roman.
Yeah, okay.
So sometimes you have to be alone. I have faced more worse people than me. Found your bed?
I mean, I think it is definitely going to be sleepable. I'm alright, I can just chill here. Maya's already set herself up. Taking his trousers off.
I'll have a look, Tom.
Do you know what? It's one of those points where I'm just going to do quite contained in that little...
When on a train, you've got to get comfortable, you've got to take all your kit off, you've got to set your bed, embrace the culture.
Yeah, we're all enjoying Mitch's embrace of the culture.
Just about. You ready for the night? Okay.